Drone footage reveals a sprawling complex in Zhengzhou, China. This is BYD's new electric vehicle factory. The sheer scale of the facility is breathtaking. It stretches out like a miniature city, a testament to China's ambition in the EV market. The factory is a hive of activity, even from this aerial perspective. Rows upon rows of buildings house various stages of the EV production process. This is where BYD, a rising giant in the automotive world, is challenging established players like Tesla. BYD's Zhengzhou factory is a mega factory in the truest sense. It dwarfs Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada in terms of sheer size. The factory sprawls over an area large enough to accommodate several hundred football fields. This massive scale is indicative of BYD's ambition to become the world's leading EV manufacturer. The company is not just building cars here, it's building a future. This factory is a statement of intent, a clear signal that BYD is here to stay and dominate. BYD's Zhengzhou factory is more than just a production facility. It's a self-contained city designed to house and support its workforce. The complex includes dormitories for workers, canteens, and recreational facilities. This live work model is becoming increasingly common in China's manufacturing sector. It allows companies to attract and retain workers, especially in remote areas. For BYD, it ensures a dedicated workforce and streamlined production processes. The scale and scope of BYD's Zhengzhou factory are a glimpse into the future of automotive manufacturing. As the world transitions to electric vehicles, we can expect to see more such mega factories spring up around the globe. BYD's facility is not just about building cars. It's about building an ecosystem. It's about creating a hub of innovation and manufacturing that will drive the EV revolution in China and beyond. This is the dawn of a new era in automotive manufacturing, and BYD is leading the charge.